Hello everyone. This video demonstrates a simple knitting pattern that creates an interesting texture. The pattern involves 2 loops and 4 rows that are repeated with an offset. At the end of the video, I will explain how to knit it in the round. To start, cast on an even number of stitches and add 2 edge stitches. The first row is on the wrong side. Knit all stitches until the end of the row. The second row is on the right side. Knit all stitches until the end of the row. The third row is on the wrong side. Purl all stitches until the end of the row. The fourth row is on the right side. Up to here, on the right side of the knitting, we have 1 purl and 2 knit rows. We will work with loops in pairs. Slip the first with a thread at the back, lift the loop with the right hook 3 rows down, and pull it out. Return 2 loops to the left hook and knit them together. Finally, knit 1. Again, slip 1, lift 1 3 rows down, return 2 loops to the left hook, knit them together, and knit 1. Let's repeat the first 3 rows by knitting them separately and meet again on the 8th row. The 8th row is on the right side. The repeat pattern starts with knit 1. Then slip 1 loop with a thread at the back, lift a loop with the right hook 3 rows down, and knit them together. Again, knit 1, slip 1, lift 1 3 rows down, return 2 loops to the left hook, and knit them together. When knitting in the round, there will not be 2 edge loops. The first row is on the right side. Purl all stitches until the end of the row. The second row remains the same. The third row is on the right side. Knit all stitches until the end of the row. The fourth row remains the same. The fifth, sixth, and seventh rows repeat the first 3 rows. The 8th row remains the same. This knitting pattern, with its distinct charm, will make any garment appear luxurious. It's appropriate for all seasons. I highly suggest it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.